Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix the charging problems of your JBL Clip 5. So first of all, if you are charging this speaker by using the USB-C cable, for example, you are connecting this end into the speaker and the second end, for example, to your PC, game console or any other device, I will highly recommend you to check the different cable, because sometimes cable can be broken inside, you cannot actually see this, but just simply try to use another cable. In my case, I'm using the original cable that actually comes with the speaker, but sometimes I'm also using this cable from my old Huawei smartphone. As you can see, it looks terrible, but it's still working properly. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can try to charge this and plug the cable into the charging brick. So also, if you wonder about the charging brick, I'm gonna show you the one that I'm using. So that's actually the Huawei charger, the old one, also from the same old my smartphone, and it also works with charging almost every device that I have. But if it still doesn't work and you are sure that the cable and the charger are fine, they are working with other devices, I will highly recommend you to simply take a look inside this USB-C port that is located right here. Take a look closely and be sure that there's no any mess inside, so pieces of the dust or stuff like this. But if it is still not working, I will try to use the warranty of the product, or for example, even don't have the warranty, I will try to actually send this into some professional repair service, so they will definitely try to replace the USB-C port. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.